Today, we are gonna fix the application was unable to start correctly problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. The reason we encountered this error is due to missing our corrupted .NET frameworks or DLL files on our computer. Therefore, in the first step, we will download .NET frameworks, and in the second step, we will download the DLL files. To download the .NET frameworks, we go to the search section and open the control panel. Then click on Programs. After that, we click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Once we have done that, we tick Net Frameworks Features and then click on OK. After doing this, we click on Let Windows Update download the files for you. The download process is completed. Now, we can close this window. The second step is to complete the missing DLL files. We will complete the missing DLL files with Microsoft's DLL libraries. To do this, we open our browser. The download links for the programs will be in the description. You can download these programs from there. Before downloading the programs, we need to know the bit version of our computer. To do this, we right-click on Windows icon and then click on System. We find out our computer's bit version under System type. When downloading Visual C++, since my computer is 64-bit, I am clicking on x64. If your computer is 32-bit, you need to click on x86. We scroll down and download Visual Studio 2013 too. We download Visual Studio according to your computer's bit version. Now, we will download DirectX. We choose our language and then click on Download. Finally, we download the 2010 version of DirectX as well. We have downloaded DLL libraries. Now, we will install these DLL files on our computer. Let's start with Visual C++. We tick I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on Install. We have installed Visual C++. Similarly, we install the other DLL libraries. Since these DLL libraries are released by Microsoft, they won't harm our computer. For DirectX, we tick I accept the agreement. We untick Install the Bing bar, then click Next. We open the last DLL library for installation. Click Browse, then click OK. After doing that, we click OK again. We have completed the missing DLL files. Now, we need to restart our computer. After doing this, we won't encounter this problem anymore. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was useful for you. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.